The residences at Tremont on the Common feature high-end units that are centrally located, providing stunning views overlooking Boston Common, the oldest public park in America. Residents enjoy a lifestyle of luxury, convenience, and exceptional service in the middle of the city. Tremont on the Common at 151 Tremont Street stands as one of Boston's premier full-service condominium buildings with elegant yet reasonably priced homes. This building offers individuals the ability to purchase a home in the city at a relatively low price point in comparison to other options nearby. In fact, out of all the homes directly on Boston Common or the Public Garden, Tremont on the Common is the cheapest on a price per square foot basis. In this video review of the residences, we will cover everything you need to know about the building, units, pricing, amenities, and location. Tremont on the Common is located at 151 Tremont Street, looking over Boston Common in the middle of downtown Boston, Massachusetts. Tremont on the Common was one of Boston's first full-service buildings with 373 total condos. When Tremont on the Common was built in the late 1960s, it helped establish Boston's downtown as the highly desirable residential location it is known as today. Comprising 517,000 square feet, this mid-century design building features direct views of Boston Common, Back Bay, Beacon Hill, the West End Financial District, the Charles River, and beyond. In 2019, 22,000 square feet of renovations were made to the main lobby, amenity spaces, and pool deck. The lobby now features a custom concierge desk, fabric ceiling panels, and custom stone flooring from quarries in Greece and Turkey. High-gloss wood panels on the walls modernize the lobby, which was last renovated in 1992. The hallways on all floors were updated with new custom carpet, wallpaper, and lighting fixtures. The 5 building elevators were given a facelift with new finishes, and the 6th floor amenity space was completely updated. The building features 26 total stories and is 266 feet tall. The high-rise building exhibits a contemporary architectural style with a facade primarily composed of concrete and stone. The design incorporates an array of large windows that enhance the aesthetic appeal by creating a pattern of vertical lines and also serve to flood the interior spaces with natural light as well as expansive views. One of the notable features of the building's design is the inclusion of private balconies for many of the units. These balconies are equipped with transparent railings aligned vertically across the facade, adding a sense of rhythm and repetition to the building's overall appearance. The structure's rectangular form and flat roof are indicative of modern high-rise construction, focusing on functionality and urban density. The demographic profile of residents living at Tremont on the Common is diverse and brings individuals from all over the world. Residents include physicians, dentists, researchers, students, and corporate professionals. Upon arrival, residents can park their car in the private garage right on Tremont Street directly below the building. The majority of units include at least one deeded parking space. Owners have direct elevator access to their homes from the garage or can enter via the beautifully updated lobby, which is serviced by a front desk concierge and 24-hour security. Stepping into the residences, each home is quite unique as owners have put their own personal touches on the units over the years. Some of the homes still have older, more vintage layouts, fixtures, and finishes. However, many of the residences have been updated with reorganized floor plans, updated kitchens and gathering spaces, newly designed bathrooms, and storage areas. Finishes in some of the updated homes include brown oak flooring, added stone fireplaces, repaneled walls, and marble tiling in the bathrooms and kitchen. Again, each unit here is different, and the only commonalities between the homes are the wide balconies and large rectangular windows. Updates are of course reflected in unit pricing, with less recently updated homes here being cheaper. The most desired units at Tremont on the Common are those which face north, as these homes provide phenomenal Boston Common and Public Garden views. As mentioned, some of the other sites which can be seen from these residences include Beacon Hill, the Massachusetts State House, Encore Casino in Everett, the West End, the John Hancock Building in Back Bay, the Charles River, Cambridge skyline, and of course the downtown Boston skyline. Units range in size from 580 and 2,000 square feet, with studio to 3-bedroom layout options. Studio floor plans have between 580 and 600 square feet. 1-bedrooms range between 650 and 800 square feet. 2-bedrooms have between 850 and 1,200 square feet. Lastly, 3-bedrooms range between 1,300 and 2,000 square feet. Really quick, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor in Boston, and I help people from all over buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have any questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can find my contact information in the description of this video. Homes at Tremont on the Common come with numerous resident services and amenities. Upon entering the remodeled lobby, residents are greeted by a front desk concierge. The lobby has a seating area with a fireplace where residents can greet their guests or gather before going out. As already discussed, the amenity floor at Tremont on the Common was recently updated, putting the amenities here up to par with those found in the area's newer luxury buildings. A standout feature is the rooftop heated pool and deck area, which features a large pool of course, cabana, and multiple seating or dining areas, ideal for entertaining guests or relaxing. Looking out onto the pool is the fully equipped gym, containing brand new machines, free weights, treadmills, and ellipticals. The fitness center also features a steam sauna, an incredibly rare amenity. On the same floor is the resident lounge, which has a space to host gatherings or private events. The area has a large dining table, gas fireplace, fully equipped chef's kitchen, and numerous seating areas with couches and TVs. Residents can use this space to study, get work done, or relax with friends and family. Located at 151 Tremont Street, the building has a prime location, which lets residents quickly access Boston's renowned institutions, cultural, shopping, and dining destinations. Tremont on the Common is seated close to the country's top schools, labs, and hospitals. With travel times of approximately 15 minutes, Longwood Medical Center and Mass General Hospital are easily reachable, making commutes for those who work in the medical districts quick and easy. The building allows for a commute of around 22 minutes to Harvard University and approximately 15 minutes to Boston University and 12 minutes to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The financial district, Boston's office building hub, is an 8-minute walk away, making it convenient for professionals working in the area. 151 Tremont Street is in close proximity to Boston's best shopping, dining, and entertainment options, such as Back Bay and Newbury Street, Downtown Crossing, and historic Beacon Hill neighborhood. This ensures that residents have plenty of things to do and experience. Newbury Street, which is just 10 minutes walking distance, is one of the top 10 shopping and dining districts in the country. It is often referred to as the Rodeo Drive of the Northeast, featuring dozens of boutique shops, luxury brands, and upscale cafes and restaurants. Right outside, of course, is the country's oldest public park, Boston Common, and 1 block away is the renowned Theater District. Residents can quickly access other parts of the city as the Green Line Boylston Street Station is just across the street. The pricing of units at Tremont on the Common varies depending on unit size, floor level, customizations, and which direction the home faces. Over the past 3 years, 30 units here have traded hands with an average sales price of $890,000. The average price per square foot is around $1,070 per foot, increasing as you go up in floor level and size. Studio layouts range between $600,000 and $700,000. 1-bedroom units range between $650,000 and $900,000. 2-bedroom units go between $1 and $1.9 million. 3-bedroom units start at $1.3 and go up to $2.2 million. If you're interested in renting, the average monthly rent at Tremont on the Common is $3,600. There are rentals available anywhere between $2,600 and $7,000 per month. In terms of taxes, residents of Tremont on the Common are subject to property taxes based on the assessed value of their units. The exact amount will depend on the specific unit and its valuation determined by Boston tax authorities. HOA fees are determined by the square footage of the unit and will likely cost between $400 and $1,200 per month. For example, a 1-bedroom unit at Tremont on the Common with 800 square feet recently sold for $825,000 with a reported HOA fee of $500 per month and a tax rate of $3,500 per year. As mentioned, Tremont on the Common is a great option for those looking for a condo in the middle of the city at a lower price. These homes are very central with excellent views and now have great amenity spaces. In terms of pricing, this building is tough to beat, with comparable area buildings being much more expensive on a cost per square foot basis. Tremont on the Common also has very low HOA fees relative to the amenities owners have access to. When deciding if the residences at Tremont on the Common is right for you, it is important to discuss its cons as well. The urban environment might not be suited for those seeking a more secluded living experience, given its central city location. While updates have been made recently, the building is still quite old and may not have the modern touch a discerning buyer is looking for, especially when it comes to unit interiors. Homes on the upper floors on the front of the building have phenomenal views, however units facing the opposite direction have views and sunlight compromised by surrounding buildings. Overall, Tremont on the Common has some of the best priced homes in Boston for the value owners get. The prime location, great amenities, and fantastic views contribute to the desirability. It's a fantastic option for those who work in Boston or want to reside in a highly central location, which puts everything the city has to offer at reach. If you're interested in buying, renting, or investing in a home at Tremont on the Common, or have questions about real estate, I'm ready to assist you. Check the description to book a meeting, email, or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.